Hello and welcome back to the another video of Python email automation. In this video we are going to discuss about how to write HTML marketing emails. We have already completed one video which is connected to this series in which we are adding the picture or the wallpaper on the email body and then we are writing on some text upon that. So let me show you what we have completed. So here, if you can see right now on your screen, we have completed this output. So we had added one image on the backside and then we had written some paragraph and a header in the last video, which was the very basics. Today, we will be seeing the output something like this. I will change the image first of all, and then we will write some sentences with bullet lines. We will see how to align the text better, and we will also see how to merge paragraphs. So how we will reach here is first we will add borders on the table so that we can understand which cell is coming where, and then we will add one more row down here, and then the final output will be this, or maybe I will be doing some more formatting. Please hit the like button to support my channel, share your feedback in comments, and let's get started now. And here is my project folder, and I am using PyCharm Python code editor. So let me explain you this code one by one. So here we are opening one text file, which is the HTML text file. We are writing the HTML code into this file, and then we are creating a email. It is very easy task. If you have seen my entire series or you are following my channel, you will understand this very well. Many times we have done this, creating a new Outlook email, and then we are attaching one image. So this image is the same image that we are utilizing into our Outlook email. So whichever object you are utilizing into your Outlook email, that should be attached in the email or it should be somewhere on the internet, because you are sending the email your from your machine, but on user machine that object should be available. It might be via internet or it might be as an attachment in the email. So we are attaching this mail pg file. So I will show you both of the files. I'll go to the folder, and if you see, this is the mail bg file, background file basically. This is blank file right now. Okay. What I will do is I will share the link of these two files in the description so that you can download and understand how things are happening. Okay, but as of now, you have already looked at it. Now let me show you same names in the code as well. I'll just minimize this part now. You can see that we are adding a attachment in the email, and here we are converting the mail body, and here we are reading the HTML mail body. All right, and here we have given the subject. Just for the variation, I will add today is 4th Feb like this so that we can understand which email we are seeing. All right, so what I will do is I will just explain the HTML file. So here is the HTML file, and this is the continuation from the last email. If you have not seen the last video, then you can find the link in description, and you can see the link on the top also in some time. What changes I have done, I have created two different CSS classes. You can note these classes here, and then I have added two cells here, two different cells here right now. You can see, so before it was only one TD, and here I have added one more TD. Table row is only one as of now, and as I have explained in the last video also, we are using two tables, table inside table, just to control the design. And these are the and this is the MSO object. So MSO object, as I explained in the last video, is required to fit in the HTML things in Outlook content. Let's just have a look on this once again, the CSS files and this table from the last video, and let's run and see the result right now. code is executed without any error. Received. Let's go to Outlook and check. So you see, we have this email, very basic, not looking very good. I know, but yes, your HTML skills will make this more beautiful. Why we have made a image of white background? Because by default the background of Outlook will be white itself. So if you are taking any image for your marketing emails or newsletters that has the white background, that I think should be suitable. I think that should be most suitable for you. And let's see further. What I will do is in the next one, like we wanted to add some more detail in this and we wanted to add some bullet lines. So I will add the code for that bullet lines here, and rather I will open this updated HTML file in PyCharm itself. I will go to file, open, I will choose the path here, show more, properties, security, I will copy the path and simply I will just pass the path here. So we have the HTML file opened here. So now the purpose is to add the list items to the email body. So for list item, I have created one CSS class here within the style portion of this HTML file. So I have just arranged these details. So what I have done is I have created one list item here in the table data one. So the table data one is from here inside the row. All right, here we are closing the table data one. I have I have written the code in Notepad, so it is not well aligned. Let's do some changes here, and then like this. Okay, so we have added the list item into this. Now let's run the code from here and see. We have received the email. Okay, so here you can see like we have added the list wise successfully. Now let's see. We have to make this little bit more attractive. So what we will do is we can modify the CSS. And then we can add some more list style. So in HTML, list style is applicable only for list items. And then we will remove this border. So if we remove this border, I think it should look more attractive. So let's see. I have added one more line, that is list style type disk. If you want to use any other than disk, then you can just search in Google. You can use a circle or you can use a square, and there are a few more, I guess, to get more. And then what I have done is I have added green color also here, so it should look more attractive now. And from these two, which is CSS for top right and top left, I have removed the borders. So now let's run this file and check how it is working. So I will be explaining the HTML file completely end to end once again, so that if you have any problem in download, you can write the code from looking at HTML file. Okay, so let's check the email. So here you see I have removed the border and then I have added some color style into this. So you can see the difference. Right now you can identify easily it is divided into two different parts. So you can utilize this part and you can change the CSS yourself to understand more about this. Now we will see one single line from start to end. So for that, what we have to do is in this table, let me show you from the first email. We have to merge, we have to add one more row here, and then we have to merge both of these cells. So how to merge cells in HTML is the keyword here to learn. So I will go to the HTML file now. and then I will come down in the table. So these are the list file. This is the first TD that is closed. Here we are starting the second TD. We don't have anything to do. We are closing the first row, and then here we are closing the first table body. So before closing the table body, we have to insert one more row here. All right. So I have pasted the code for adding one more row. You can see on your screen right now. And inside the row, we are using the paragraph here. This paragraph. I have also added the hyperlink one. So how to add the hyperlink? Because many times you have in your text, you have to provide the hyperlink as well. So how to add hyperlink in your email body, or how to add hyperlink in your marketing email can be the keyword here. And this row text will be the hyperlink there. I hope you understand this HTML tag. Now this is the complete line till here. And here we are closing the TD. If you want, you can simply hit a enter from here. It will not make any difference to the look. So this is the new table row that we have added. In HTML, call span is used to combine two columns together or merge two columns. All right. So now let's run this and see. You should be able to see this text. And when we have seen this P1, P paragraph, then you have to have a look on the paragraph CSS also on in the style part of this file. So here is the CSS for P as in paragraph. We have not used dot here. The reason for that is it will be automatically applied for P type of tab. Let's run and see. Oh, I will go to my mailbox. You can see here you have one single line added. And in this single line, you have one hyperlink also available here. If you will click, I have just given the google.com address. It will take you to Google. So this is how you can use Python to automate your email or create your marketing email and apply the hyperlinks, images, and paragraphs. So now next thing, what we are going to do, we don't want this because it is not looking good. All right. So if you want, you can merge both of these. Otherwise, if you want, you can add something else here. Okay, so let me delete this part in the code right now and see if it looks a bit better. So this part is written in table data, and in my HTML I have the table data. This is the left. We have given the ID here, and this is the right. We have to keep the column, so don't remove the column. Just delete this entire content, and let's run. Waiting for the email output. We are here. All right. So I think it is looking pretty fine. In the next video, we will beautify this more. We will add a different image under this line. We will add a different image in different table cells. So it will make your email more beautiful. This is the HTML code file if you want to write the HTML code yourself. So line number 20 from 20 to 40, from 40 to 60, 62, 80, 82, 100, and finally 100 to 113. So you can pause the videos accordingly and you can write the code. So for next video, stay connected. We are going to see more details and we are going to learn more. Appreciate my hard work by clicking on the like button. Share my video to your friends on your social media channels and provide your feedback in comments. Thank you very much for your time. Happy learnings.